Merge sort. In this question, we are given an array. Its starting position is L and its ending position is R. Our task is to sort this array using merge sort algorithm. Let's see the input and output of this question. We are given an array of elements n and the output is the sorted array in ascending order. We have sorted the array using the merge sort. Let's see the algorithm to solve this question. The merge sort works in two steps. Step 1 is to divide the array into subarrays with single elements. Step 2 is to merge the array back in sorted manner to form one single array. In the diagram, we can see how the array has been divided into multiple halves and merged back to form a sorted array. The array is divided from the middle element. The blue circle in the diagram denotes the middle element. Here is the step 1. Divide the array in single elements. Here L is the left index and R is the right index. We check if L is less than R. We find the mid element and divide the element from the mid element. In the diagram, we have represented the blue color circle represent the middle elements. We then call the merge sort method recursively on the L to M elements and then M plus 1 to R elements. And at last we call merge to form a single array out of the divided array. We'll see the merge method in the next slide. Here is the step 2. Merge the divided array. In this step, we keep on merging the subarrays to form a single array. Now let's zoom in the process of merging the subarrays. Here in the left we have two arrays. We'll have two pointers for both the arrays. We compare the elements in both arrays using the pointers and keep adding the elements in the temp array based on the comparison. If we have completely iterated one array and still there are some elements remaining in the other array, we directly add those elements in the remaining size of the temp array. The size of the temp array is equal to R minus L plus 1. And at last, we take out the elements from the temp array to our main array. We'll see that step in the next code. Let's jump into the code. We have already seen the code of dividing the array. Let's have a look over the code of merging the array. First, we'll define a temp array. Then, we initialize I and j as the pointers for iterating both the arrays and k for the temp array. We'll run a while loop and iterate both the arrays. We'll compare the values and add in the temp array based on the comparison. The other two while loops will make sure if the elements in one array is completely iterated. Then it will add the remaining elements from the other array to the temp array. The last step is to copy the elements from the temp array to the main array.